Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I am here in Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico, here with the fam, and we're just going to go out and do some exploring. I think we're going to hit the lighthouse over here in Cabo Rojo and maybe hit a beach and then, wrap it up for the day. But I have the Mini 2 with me, and I'm just going to take some shots here today at the lighthouse and see how that turns out. So just stick around with me and we'll get some shots with the Mini 2 and, see how that goes. All right? So we arrived here at the lighthouse, which is right here, and we're almost there. So the kids are not a fan of this, but it's good for me. Good exercise and good experience. So let's keep trekking on. It's too hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't you like hiking? Probably hear in the mic, it is windy, and it's too windy for the Mini 2, and I think it'd probably be a little bit too windy for the Air 2S. I did see a drone up here flying, but it's not here by the cliffs, but it was further back. But it is a little bit windy. I had to take my hat off before I lost it, and right now we're just going to take in the awesome views here. And I'll probably get some footage of the beach down there once we go down there. So, all right, you guys just stick around. All right, so I might try to put up the Mini 2 anyway. I'm not going to go too far past the cliff here. If anything, I'm going to try it anyway and see what happens. The Mini 2 can withstand these winds. I've had it out in worse winds, well, maybe around the same winds as this, but we'll try it. So that was a little bit scary. I'll pop the wind conditions up here on the screen for you, but it's very gusty up here on the cliffs, and maybe we can get better footage down at the beach. That's where we're headed to now. Forgot the name of the beach, but I'll let you know when we get there. But I did leave it in sports mode, or sport mode, the entire time that I flew it. I did switch over to normal mode, and it was acting like it did want to float away a little bit, but so I kept it in sport mode the entire time and tried to get some cinematic shots. I did adjust my gimbal settings, my yaw rate and everything, so I can get smoother movements. So I did what I can do, and it was, very windy up here. It was a risk, but it did handle itself pretty well considering the conditions. So we're headed to the beach. So you guys just hold tight. All right, so the name of the beach is Playa Sucia, and we just got here. This is pretty much a undeveloped beach. There's no lifeguards or anything. It's just a beach, kind of a tourist attraction. We have quite a few people here on the beach, and here's my little one here. She likes being on camera.
Daddy.
Anyway, so we're gonna take a dip in the water and hang out here for a little while. It's still windy out here. I probably won't be able to get the Mini 2 up. It's just windy. I don't trust it. I should have bought the Air 2S. I can get some more at another beach that we actually are closer to. I'll put some of that footage into this video, but for now, we're gonna take a dip in the water and go from there. We are winding down here now. It is a different day from when we started, but I just wanted to share a little bit of my experience here in Puerto Rico. We out here visiting friends, and it's been windy since the day we got here. I went out to the cliffs at the lighthouse, and I wanted to actually film the edges of the cliffs, but I didn't want to actually go that far because the winds were so strong. I didn't want to risk losing the Mini 2. So the Air 2S probably would have been a better choice to bring. Now this Mini 2, it is light and portable. You can put it in your pocket as they advertise. Now for me, it doesn't matter if it is 249 grams or 700 grams. As a Part 107 pilot, I do have to register my drones regardless. Now I know in other countries that is not the case. 249 grams actually opens up a lot of opportunities when flying drones. So I can understand that part of it, but in my case, 249 grams is not that important. Now, I can say I do like flying the 249 gram drones. I like the portability of it. I mean, I like just putting it up in the air and be able to fly it really quickly. And it doesn't draw too much attention when you're flying in moderately crowded areas. That's what I like about it. And that was the whole reasoning for me bringing it, because I was going to fly on the beaches and all that. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. All right, so don't forget to hit
Send it.